18 minus 2 divided parenthesis 3 times 4 square divided by 8 parenthesis closed times 12. So number of operation, which operation to do first? We follow an order of operation and remember the order through this mnemonic called PEMDAS. So first we solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Parentheses are also three kinds. This is called smaller bracket. So first we solve smaller bracket, then we solve the curly bracket, and then the box bracket. This is the order. After parenthesis, we solve exponent, order, indices, roots, etc. Then comes multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So you see, if we start solving from here, we cannot do subtraction first because subtraction is at the end. So this operation of subtraction will be at the end. We have to follow this order of operation. So first we have to solve parenthesis. Now within parenthesis also we have to follow this order. Now let's write all other operations as it is. So 18 minus 2 divided by, now we have to solve this operation inside the bracket, smaller bracket, and within smaller bracket we have multiplication, exponent and division. So it says before multiplication we need to solve exponent. So 3 times 4 square is 16. So we write 16, then divided by 8, then times 12. Now in next step there is multiplication. So we will solve multiplication. So 18 minus 2 divided 16 times 3 is 48. So first multiplication, then division, divided by 8. Now here remember that although multiplication is written first here and then there is division, and here in the question also there is multiplication and then division, but remember that we are doing multiplication first not because it is written here in the rule that we have to do multiplication. It's because from left to right we have multiplication first. So you can have multiplication or division in the same line and you have to see which operation is coming first. If you are getting division first, you will have to do division first. For example, if it was like this, 3 divided 16 times 8, then you have to do division first and then multiplication. Since here from left to right there was multiplication first, that's why we are doing multiplication. So times 12. Now 18 minus 2 divided, now 48 divided by 8 is 6. Once the operation is done we need to remove the bracket, so we write 6, then times 12. Now this left to right rule will again come into play here. You can see here that in PEMDAS multiplication is written then division, but from left to right here again we have division first and not multiplication. So ignoring that multiplication is written here first, we will see which operation is coming first. So from left to right we have division, so we will be doing division. So it will be 18 minus 2 divided by 6 means 2 upon 6, then times 12. Now we have multiplication and subtraction. Subtraction will be always at the end. So 6 times 2 is 12. We cross cancel it, and 2 times 2 is 4. So it is 18 minus 4. So answer is 14. So you can see if you follow the letters here and do as per that, then your first step will be correct, because here from left to right there is multiplication and the rule also say multiplication. So your first step will be correct, but in the next step if you don't follow the left to right rule here in this step, then you will get wrong answer, because if you don't follow left to right rule and you do multiplication first, then you will be doing this multiplication part first. So it will be 18 minus 2 divided 12 times 6 is 72, and then 18 minus 2 upon 72. Now you see entirely different answer. That's why it's important that you follow the left to right rule. Thanks for watching.